Understanding Objective Lens, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, objective lens. This phrase is often used in scientific contexts, particularly in microscopy and photography, but it can sometimes be confusing for learners of English. Let's dive in and demystify this term together. Objective lens refers to the part of a microscope or a telescope that is closest to the object being observed. In simpler terms, it's the lens that first collects light from the object and focuses it to create an image. The term objective here implies that this lens is focused on the object of observation rather than the viewer. This is an important concept in fields like biology, astronomy, and photography. In microscopes, the objective lens plays a crucial role. It magnifies the object being observed, which is crucial for scientists studying tiny details that are not visible to the naked eye. Different microscopes have objective lenses with varying magnifying powers, allowing for more detailed observation. Understanding this helps in comprehending how microscopes work and why they are essential in scientific research. In the world of photography and astronomy, the objective lens is equally important. In cameras, it determines how much light enters and how the image is captured. In telescopes, it's responsible for gathering light from distant stars or planets. This term is key for those interested in these fields and helps in understanding how these devices capture and magnify images. I hope this video has helped clarify what an objective lens is and why it's a significant term in various scientific and technical fields. Whether you're interested in science, photography, or just expanding your English vocabulary, understanding terms like this is incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content.